Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn a bit vocabulary. So please open your eyes and open very big your ears and please help me, okay? You have to repeat the words I say. So, hot, cold,
Cold.
bucket,
Bucket.
spade,
Spade.
raveline,
Rabbit.
armbands,
Armband.
swimming cap,
Swimming cup.
goggles.
Goggles.
What can you see here? Oh, there are some ravelins here. Can you please help me to count them? How many ravelins can you see here? 1, 2, 3,
3.
and 4. Very good. There are 4 ravelins. Okay, can you please tell me what color are these 4 ravelins? Red,
Red.
blue,
Blue.
green,
Green.
and yellow. Very good. You did it so well. See you.
Wow.